Today, we are diving into the fun world of bowling. Are you ready to learn about this awesome target sport that everybody can enjoy? Let's roll! Welcome to Steleo. Bowling is an indoor sport where you roll a heavy ball down a long lane to knock over a set of pins. There are different types of bowling, like duck pins and candle pins, but the most popular is 10-pin bowling, where you aim to knock down 10 pins. If you knock them all down on your first roll, it's called a strike. And if you knock them all down on your second roll, it's a spare.
Very good, very good, very good!
Before we start bowling, we need to wear special bowling shoes. These have a smooth, clean sole to help us slide easily on the lane. If we wore our regular shoes, we might stick and fall, which wouldn't be fun at all. Safety first, right? Check out the bowling lane. It's long, narrow, and has gutters on the sides. When little kids are playing, we can ask for bumpers to be raised to keep the ball from going into the gutter. That way we can have more fun knocking down those pins.
A strike is when you get all the pins down in your first bowl.
What is a spear?
When you get all the pins down in 2 bowls.
Now let's talk about the bowling balls. They come in all sorts of colors and sizes. It's super important to find one that's the right weight for you. Some balls can be really heavy, so if you're having trouble, you can use a special ball ramp to help it roll down the lane. Look at our scoreboard. It tracks our scores so we know who's winning. Every pin you knock down is 1 point. And remember, if you get a strike or spare, you earn extra points. Did you know that bowling has been played since ancient times? It's not just fun, it helps kids build confidence, math skills, and social skills too. So every time you bowl, you're not just playing, you're learning. Thank you for joining us today to learn about bowling. We hope you're excited to try it out.